struggled with depression off and on most of my life. The longest stretch was 5 years, and it was mostly because I had not ever dealt with the fact that I was raped and molested as a child. Through counseling, trusting God, and no longer holding on to that secret and speaking up about it, I've been able to overcome every obstacle that stood in my way, including depression. If I can do it, so can you.
Everywhere, freaks and herrings, dykes and fairies, tell me where it's empty. Everywhere, freaks and herrings, dykes and fairies, tell me where it's empty.